K2's always taken a very irreverent and innovative approach to product design. Adopting what's new and figuring out what is new has always been part of K2's DNA. And that really allows us as designers and engineers to look at emerging technologies and adopt them.
K2 Skis has a really wide range of product we're making. We're making stuff for recreational skiers that go skiing once or twice a year during the holidays. We're also making skis for people that are competing at the highest level of competition or filming all around the world.
Skis are such an organic product. It's really hard to know what combinations of factors will make a good ski. And so the whole design process is incredibly iterative, and it almost feels like you mix a couple of the right ingredients together, and then all of a sudden, kind of this magical combination appears.
We really began looking at Onshape and looking for alternatives from our system due to PDM. The amount of time that we were spending managing data was just disproportionate to the value that it was providing, but it's not negotiable. You need to manage your data. That's really why Onshape started to seem really appealing to us, is that it's basically a CAD system built on top of PDM first. It's not a PDM that fits into a CAD system. That's the reason we switched. By using Onshape, our team needs to spend literally dozens of hours a week less on data management. The data management is just built into our CAD process, and the process of creating CAD data is also the process of managing that data. We also wanted a tool that allowed us the design flexibility that we really need and is inherent in our products, and a better way to collaborate as a team.
The advantage of built-in PDM is knowing that it's linked in one place with good flow to the factory. They know what to look for.
One of my favorite things about Onshape is that it's cloud-based, so I can pull up designs on different devices like my phone. So when we're out ski testing on the hill at the ski area, and I can check what my designs are and make sure we're crystal clear about the decisions we're making in testing.
The version controlling in Onshape, particularly the branching, is extremely useful for us, where it allows us to keep really clean model trees and communication of what is the actual parts to be using, what's trial parts, and what's in work.
Feature script has been one of the most impactful tools for us in using Onshape. The code is really easy to write. The syntax is straightforward. I can write my own extrude feature. I can go in and I can crack open geometric data in a way that's not possible in other CAD platforms. I can automate any number of features and sketches that conform to our standards. The standardization that you can get with feature script is unbelievable. Basically, you can build custom CAD features that allow you and your team to work in the way that makes the most sense for your workflows.
It was a no-brainer once we started playing in the software, and I'd say if anyone was skeptical, give it a try and work with it, because it didn't take long for me to realize that it was a better system.
The time that we're not spending on data management is time that we can spend innovating and chasing new ideas. It just gives us an unbelievable amount of confidence that this is the right place to be, and we can be part of that.